Hi, my name is Nick Biesbrock. I am one of the teammates on for the radiation detector project, team number 5 for Grand Valley State University's 2022 capstones, and our sponsor is BAMF. So the objective of this project was to build a network-based radiation detector that will be used to give gamma radiation readings from wherever the detector is located throughout BAMF's radio pharmacy. So the new detector that BAMF requested involves the integration of a Geiger-Muller tube with a networkable microcontroller to measure gamma radiation. The product must be able to be deployed around their facility and relay live radiation values to a custom web server. The key specs on this project were having a high bias power supply for the GM tube, having data encryption and network connection just to be able to transmit data to a custom web server. And then along with that, we knew that we need to want to have an Ethernet connection because Ethernet is a very robust internet connection to be able to encrypt and send the data to a web server. And since we're using Ethernet, power over Ethernet is a great and easy way to power the board. We need to have some sort of warning system for high radiation to alert BAMF employees, nurses, and to a warning system to alert BAMF employees, nurses, and patients of higher than usual radiation data or radiation readings, and then finally a protective housing so that this detector can be deployed wherever BAMF would like it. The final product was a custom PCB that includes Geiger-Muller tube integration, a high bias supply for the GM tube, Ethernet and Wi-Fi capabilities, power over Ethernet, UART communication, an audible alert system, and a custom enclosure. So what's next for this project? BAMF has a few options on where to improve and add some more features to this project. The ESP32 has built-in Wi-Fi capabilities, so additional software could easily be written to add Wi-Fi capabilities to the project. The libcurl encryption library, while it's a very powerful encryption library, was very difficult to integrate with the ESP32, so software modifications to the web server and radiation detector could be used to simplify future revision changes. And then finally, a dual MCU setup to use the ESP32 more as a Wi-Fi and Ethernet chip, and then have another MCU to control other peripherals is a great option for BAMF. Thanks.